CachyOS, a fast lightweight Linux distro built for performance, great for gaming, and actually easy to install. And today, someone who couldn't use NixOS, that's me, is going to try it. So here's the plan for the video. We're going to install CachyOS, customize it, do some gaming, and at the end I'll give you my honest opinion. So stick around because this is going to be interesting. But before getting into it, if you're new here, my name is Flizzes, and I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers in 30 days, so if you stick around for this, a subscribe generally helps me a lot. Alright, let's get into it. So we begin with installing CachyOS. I already have installed the ISO, so I don't have HDMI capture stuff, and that's why I'll speed up this part, and I like to try CachyOS Hyprland environment. Okay, it installed successfully. Now I'm going to reboot it now, and I am really excited. And what the... So this is Noctalia on Hyprland. Interesting. I feel like scammed because this is not the preview I saw on installation. That being said, installing CachyOS was successful, but I couldn't customize Noctalia on Hyprland because it came pretty broken. So I'm going to install my own .files for my Hyprland, which I'll put the link in the comment section. It's really easy to install, it has its own installer script that you can use. I will not show you entire installation because it takes a lot of time. So here I am on my Hyprland setup. It has tons of features I added myself, like OLED mode or waybar and style changes. We will check the customization is also done. Now here's the interesting part, gaming. We will test two games today, which are Roblox and Minecraft. Don't ask me why, because my laptop can handle other games. Here I am on Sober, and we're going to test the FPS on FlexFPS game. And I got 240 FPS on average on lowest settings. And on maximum settings, you can see I'm still getting like 70 FPS, which is not that bad. And it gets even higher sometimes. While other hand, Windows in still game with same settings on lowest gave me an average of 40 FPS. And here you can see on highest graphics, this is really bad. And literally the same happened with Minecraft. On performance mode of latest Minecraft, I'm getting like around 150 FPS on average. And on Windows, you can see this is really terrible. And here's my honest opinion about CachyOS. As you literally saw on this video, you saw how bad and terrible Windows is. CachyOS is really well made. It has a great performance, its stability, and it is better than Windows. Now, I am definitely going to keep using this distro, and this is it for today. See you guys in the next one.